Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Wizz Air. Whether your flight was canceled, delayed, or your plans simply changed, knowing how to navigate Wizz Air's refund process can save you time and ensure you get your money back when you're entitled to it. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Wizz Air website at wizzair.com. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find the Help Center link. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to all the support options Wizz Air offers, including refunds, cancellations, and general flight inquiries. Once you're in the Help Center, look for the option labeled Delay, Cancellation, and Refund and click on it. This section contains all the information related to disrupted flights and refund eligibility. On the left side menu, you'll see the same Delay, Cancellation, and Refund category again. Click on it to expand the submenu. Under that, click on Refund and then select Refund Policy and Eligibility. This is where you'll find the full breakdown of when and how you can request a refund. Now let's talk about what makes you eligible for a refund. Wizz Air allows refunds in several situations. If you voluntarily canceled your flight because your plans changed, you can request a refund either as Wizz credits through your Wizz account or to your original payment method by contacting their live chat or call center. If Wizz Air canceled your flight or it was delayed by over 5 hours or overnight, you can request a refund directly in your Wizz account either as Wizz credits or to your original payment method. You also have the option to convert Wizz credits to cash using a specific form they provide. If you were denied boarding, whether you volunteered or were denied against your will, you're entitled to reimbursement for the total fare or the parts of your journey not made. This can be handled at the airport through ground handler representatives or when contacted by the call center. And finally, in the unfortunate event of a family member's death, such as a parent, spouse, sibling, grandparent, or child, up to 30 days before departure, you can submit a claim with a death certificate within 7 days to request a refund. And that's it. You now know exactly how to navigate Wizz Air's refund process depending on your situation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.